In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI video generator. By the end, you'll feel comfortable opening Grok, switching into its video creation mode, choosing the best aspect ratio for your project, and prompting it to generate AI videos you can view right away. First, open Grok. Give it a moment to load so the interface is fully ready. You'll see the main workspace with navigation that helps you choose what you want to create. We're heading straight to the creative tools. Next, click Imagine. This is Grok's space for turning ideas into visuals. The Imagine area is designed to be straightforward, so even if you're new, you won't feel lost. Think of it as your creative canvas where Grok interprets your instructions. Inside the Imagine area, look for the chat box and click Video. This switches the system into video generation mode. You'll notice the controls and prompts shift to focus on moving visuals rather than still images. If you were in another mode before, this makes sure Grok is ready to output motion instead of a single frame. Right beside the video control, you'll see aspect ratios for your video. Aspect ratio determines the shape of your frame, and picking the right one helps your video fit its destination perfectly. You can choose any ratio you like, such as 9:16 for vertical formats, 16.9 for widescreen landscapes, or 1.1 for square posts. As a quick guide, 9:16 is ideal for vertical-first platforms, 16.9 suits standard desktop and TV viewing, and 1.1 works well in feeds where square visuals stand out. Select the one that matches where you plan to share your video. Now in the chat box, say, "Generate an AI video." Type that phrase clearly and send it. This is your cue for Grok to begin producing video results. Keep your wording natural and direct. The important thing is that you're telling Grok to create a video. After a short moment, you'll see different AI videos created. They'll appear in the workspace, so you can observe how Grok interpreted your request. Each result may vary in motion, color, and pacing, giving you a range of options to consider. Take a moment to look through what's presented and notice which ones match the mood or framing you had in mind. And that's the full process. Open Grok, click Imagine, switch the chat box to video, choose the aspect ratio that fits your needs, say, "Generate an AI video," and then view the different AI videos Grok produces. Follow these steps whenever you want quick, AI-generated visuals, and you'll get consistent, ready-to-view results.